Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use green screen on Videoleap. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Videoleap application and then sign into your account using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up on the home screen where you can tap on the plus icon to work on a new project or the projects icon to work on your recent ones. Now, once you open up your project and add your video, in order to use green screen, you can use the options at the bottom. Simply scroll over to the right and then tap on Mixer. You can then open up any other green screen video that you want to layer on top of this. After opening your video from the Mixer tab, you can simply tap on this video and then from the bottom section, scroll to the right until you see Chroma. Simply tap on this option and now select the green area and it will automatically be removed. Now you can go back from this page and resize your green screen element to your liking. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use green screen on the Videoleap application. After you are done with your edit, you can tap on the export button at the top right corner and then save your video by modifying your settings. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.